Bro, I finally broke out of this losing streak. These past 2 months was absolutely garbage for me. I think I took maybe 2 wins. So yeah, it was very, very bad. I broke out of this losing streak. I made $1,000 today trading the S&P 500. So let's get into this quick recap. Actually, it's not going to be quick. It's actually going to be pretty long. So sit tight, grab some popcorn. Let's break down everything. All right, so I took the trade on the S&P 500. I was obviously looking at both indexes, but your boy decided to trade on the S&P 500 because it was the lagging index, and I'll get into it. So we had, first let me actually mark out the sessions. So New York open, London open, there we go. So we had Asia highs right here. We had Asia lows right here that got swept during London session. We had this London low that got swept. Bruh, who's calling me? All right, so I hope you guys can hear me now. Boom, London session low. No, this was during open. Okay, this was like a low time frame high. So we had everything here. We also had fair value gap and another fair value gap to fill right here. So double fair value gap, very, very good. And yeah, let's actually get into the lower time frame now. On the 5 minute, we want to identify the daily profile. So during London session, we swept the Asia lows. So this is basically a London session manipulation reversal. So we manipulated to the downside, reversed up, and it's going to be a New York continuation. So based on this information, we want to look for longs, obviously. But even if it's a continuation model, we still want to see a liquidity sweep of low time frame. So low resistance liquidity on the low time frame, so 15 minute and 5 minutes. So we had these lows right here. Let me mark them out. I'm gonna put them in purple because why not? Boom and boom. All right. Price opened, just destroyed the lows, the highs right here. But because we had a bullish bias, I still believe that we were going to go higher, and we definitely did. So what happened here? Boom, sweep the liquidity right here and tap into this hourly fair value gap. Perfect. We have the sweep of liquidity. We have a 5 minute confirmation candle. Now all we need is a 1 minute continuation candle, which is going to be, or a 1 minute continuation move, which is going to be either an inverse fair value gap or a fair value gap or equilibrium retest and a breakout of it or some sort like that. But in this case, we saw an inverse fair value gap right here. Boom. So what did I do? I took a long right here. I got filled really high in this case. I got filled right here, even though I went to enter here, which is it's a shame, but oh well. This was our break-even spot, and then 1 to 2, yeah, there we go. Boom. So that was mainly the trade that I took. Listen, in my opinion, it was a very good trade. The only thing that I messed up with is the fact that I exited way too early. So because I was down on my account, and if I would have lost the trade, I would have blown it. I just needed to get some margin left again. So I decided to close a bit early to just guarantee these profits. I should have held it more because NASDAQ didn't sweep. So where were the highs on NASDAQ? I think it was here. Yeah, it was something around here, around this level. So on NASDAQ, price was here, it didn't sweep, and it started reversing down. I got scared, I'm not gonna lie, and I decided to close early. But realistically, my position was all the way up here. That would have been a much better trade. So what I need to work on next time is definitely holding the trades until it hits take profit. So that's something I'm gonna work on. And I'll see you guys hopefully. Wait a second. If you wanted to trade tomorrow, don't you dare trade tomorrow. It's bank holidays. If you do, you're stupid. You're gonna blow your account, so please don't do it. I don't want you to blow an account. I don't want you to crash out, to start crying to your mom, asking her to give you her credit card so that you can buy more evals. Don't trade tomorrow. Trade Friday. Actually, maybe don't even trade Friday if price action's not gonna be good. Maybe wait, take a break until Monday. But just don't trade tomorrow. Alright, I see you guys next time.